Hi everyone, Michelle Fixit. Today, I am sad. I am going to share with you guys something that I was very excited about. That I did a total impulse purchase buy on, and it's a deep soak closing metallic like drain, like the overflow drain. And so I was super excited. I had too many houses in my life, and so sometimes I forget which house has which thing. And so for this house in particular, I was like, I saw this and I thought it was going to be really cool. And it is really cool. So I hope you guys get one if you can use it. I can't use it in this application, so I'm really sad. But basically, a long time ago, I was very busy and I made a video on how to plunge a tub. And I took this off to show how to plunge a tub. And because it's chrome and everything else is brushed nickel in this tub, I have just not put it back because I'm busy and I'm forgetful and honestly forgot where I put it. And so anyways, my daughter was in the bathtub, which is upstairs, and I guess she decided to overflow the tub and just keep adding water into it. And then the downstairs started having water. So being winter, I was like, oh goodness, pipe must have frozen. Like, I go into panic mode. I'm going to have to tear into the ceiling. Da, da, da. No, turned out that there's a big gaping hole in my tub, and my daughter decided to overflow the tub. So I was like, okay, well, since she wants to do that, and since I like baths too, I'm going to look and see if there's like a thing that is adjustable to make it where I can choose how much water I want it to do so that I can like deep soak, because this cast iron tub, it needs some work because I have to refinish it again because I refinished it like 5-6 years ago and now it's messed up. So, you know, you guys will see that. But anyways, this thing is super cool. So if you have a 2-hold setup, like this one is a single hold setup. This is like the newer style. The newer style is single hole. And goodness, I forgot that this house had updated plumbing, so mine has a single hole. But if you have a double hole, like this one has a double hole. So basically, what you do is if you had a double hole one, then you would turn it, and it's adjustable. It's so cool. So you would screw one of your screws in here by like moving this thing, which is like the overflow part. And then you would turn it until you get to the other screw, and you would put that in there. And then this little guy you put back on. You put him back on, and then you can select, see, it's like an empty hole, so it's open all the way, that's closed all the way, and that's half. So you would adjust it. You can see how it can rotate. This is so cool. Like, I love this. And it's the right finish for the tub and everything, and I can't use it. I'm so mad. But there's another house that might be able to use it. And it does have the foam backing, so that way you can kind of smush it. I'll show you guys the grungy tub. Tub is super grungy, but see how I was stupid and I left this open because I was going to, like, get brushed nickel stuff, and I didn't want the chrome stuff. But in the right place, like that would be so cool. But I can't use it because it's not a double hole. It's a single hole one, and it's gross. So this also made me realize that I lost my gasket in here at some point. So I'm going to be doing a how to install a rubber gasket in your overflow video. And I'm going to begrudgingly put this chrome one back on so that way I don't have to worry about my daughter overflowing the tub. And just so you guys know, if you do have the rubber gasket in there, you can turn this to be up so it'll leak out the top instead of sucking it from the bottom. You can do that. But otherwise, if you have a double hole thing, you can get one of these. And this is really cool. Like, just holding it, trying to find a way to rig it up so that I could use it in this tub and everything. And of course, they don't have a single one because it needs like 2 bolts to be able to bevel and stuff. 10 out of 10. I would recommend this. I haven't even been able to put it in, but just playing with it and stuff, like, if there's a tub I can put this in, I'm going to put it in there because I think it's really cool. So, yeah. but I'm going to be installing this. I know it's sad. But if you like taking soaking baths and stuff, then this product would be great for you. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I can put it in a tub and then I'll have a successful unboxing and install video for you guys. I don't know. You guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day. If you're new to DIY, I'm proud of you. And you got this. You can totally do it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.